作為一個被通緝嘅人士，好擔心會唔會佢哋就會根據相關嘅協議係去有行動呢？我哋反送中就係唔想中共隨便送我哋去內地受審啊嘛。
遭港府懸賞20萬的逃家港人姜家偉警告，這項執法合作可能被中共利用，把政治迫害包裝成刑事案件，借合作的名義來追蹤施壓在加拿大的流亡人士。
中共竟然將滯留咗喺泰國嘅民運人士咧，將佢哋個名都放埋喺嗰個嘅係詐騙人士嘅名單裏面。
China was using these law enforcement cooperation agreements with the Royal Canadian Mounted Police to go after dissidents and people that were not necessarily really criminals, but were targets, political targets of the Chinese government.
加拿大資深調查記者 Sam Cooper 查閱了2019年外國干預研究報告，報告指出，加拿大曾經透過執法合作，協助中共推動獵狐行動遣返人員。
Making another deal to cooperate with the CCP police is simply bringing the problem back and amplifying it. It's absurd. It is a very clear national security risk.
他們呼籲加拿大政府應該建立保護受迫害者機制。
皇家騎警啦嚇，應該要有一個好清楚嘅名單啦，社運人士、政治庇護緊嘅人喺個名單上面嘅。即係如果中共突然之間扣我哋一啲帽子，加拿大應該要審慎一啲去檢視，咁然之後先至再做下一步嘅事情。
Canadian police should not be tricked into cooperating with China's foreign intelligence operations.
新唐人電視台記者舒燦，實習記者肖